YouTube Partner Program has paid out over $50 billion to creators, and you can get your share. But here's what nobody tells you. Making money on YouTube isn't just about views. It's about having the right strategy. I went from zero to earning over $5,000 a month on YouTube, and I don't have millions of subscribers. I have just over 50,000. Let me show you exactly how I did it, and more importantly, how you can do it too. First, let's talk about the YouTube Partner Program. This is YouTube's official monetization system. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months to apply. But that's just the beginning. Once you're accepted, you earn money from ads. But the amount varies dramatically. It could be $1 per 1,000 views or $20 per 1,000 views. Why the huge difference? It depends on your audience. Advertisers pay more for viewers who have money to spend, so here's the secret. If you want to earn more, create content that attracts wealthy viewers. Finance, technology, and business content pay the most, but ad revenue is just one stream. The real money comes from diversification. Imagine walking into a brand new toy store. The shelves are stocked with amazing toys, but nobody knows this store exists. That's exactly what happens when you upload videos to YouTube without setting up your channel properly. Open your web browser and go to Studio, YouTube.com, sign in with your Google account, and you'll see your dashboard. Your dashboard shows recent video performance, subscriber numbers, and watch time statistics. Look at the left side of YouTube Studio and click Settings. A small window will appear. Click Upload Defaults in the Settings window to access your video upload preferences. Click Advanced Settings to find more detailed options for your videos. Find Allow Automatic Chapters and turn it on. Then click Save. Look for Show Concepts or Automatic Concepts and turn it on. Click Save. Find Automatic Places and turn it on to help YouTube understand locations. Captions help everyone understand your content. YouTube usually turns this on automatically. When uploading, click Show More and find License. Check Allow Embedding. Click Show More, find Comments, and choose Allow All Comments. Make sure Publish to Subscription Feed is checked when publishing. Click Content, choose a video, click Editor, then End Screen. Click Content, choose your video, click Editor, then Cards. Click Content, Playlists, then New Playlist to create one. Click Show More, find Shorts Remixing, and choose Allow Remixing. Click Customization, Branding, then Video Watermark to upload your logo. Click Settings, Channel Basic Information, then add your keywords. Click Customization, Layout, then add section to organize your channel. Click Customization, Branding, and upload your profile picture and banner. Click Analytics to see your channel's performance and learn what works. Never choose Made for Kids unless your content is truly for children. Only use age restriction if YouTube requires it. Otherwise, fewer people see your video. Always upload your own custom thumbnail. Good thumbnails get more clicks. Before publishing, review your checklist. Quality, thumbnail, title, description, and settings. Think of YouTube like planting a tree. One video is a seed. 100 videos is a strong tree. Subscribe to They Never Told You for more hidden facts to grow your channel.